Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Sanfe Glide face razor. First, let's prepare your skin for a smooth and safe shave. Begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This prevents potential irritation and ensures a clean surface. Next, apply a thin, even layer of aloe vera gel or a facial oil. This creates a protective barrier, allowing the razor to glide effortlessly across your skin, minimizing friction and maximizing comfort. Now, let's master the actual shaving technique. Hold the Sanfe Glide face razor at a 45-degree angle against your skin. This specific angle is crucial for effective hair removal without causing nicks or irritation. Use short, gentle, downward strokes, moving in the direction of your hair growth. Avoid applying excessive pressure. Let the razor do the work. Remember to stretch your skin taut with your free hand, especially in curved areas, to create a flat surface for a smoother glide. After you've finished shaving, proper post-shave care is essential for maintaining healthy, happy skin. First, rinse your face thoroughly with cool water. This helps to close your pores and remove any stray hairs or product residue. Immediately follow up with a soothing, alcohol-free moisturizer or serum. This step rehydrates your skin, calms any potential redness, and prevents dryness. Finally, clean your razor blade with water and store it in a dry, safe place for its next use. To ensure you always achieve the best results with your Sanfe Glide face razor, here are a few extra tips. For optimal hygiene and effectiveness, replace your razor blade after every 2 to 3 uses. A dull blade can cause irritation and an uneven shave. Always avoid shaving over active acne, blemishes, or any irritated skin areas to prevent further inflammation. For most, shaving once every 2 to 3 weeks is sufficient for maintenance, but adjust based on your personal hair growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.